This is our tent, our camping site. It's right here.
SUP boards.
Still going.
I Lake
It's almost
Pleasant.
done.
Teamwork, baby. Look at that board.
Yeah.
Looks cool. Beautiful. What do you think, Emily? Okay.
All right, one boat off.
Get on.
All right. Woo! How you doing, guys? Woo! All right, today we're testing out the 3 single SUPs. SUP, SUP, and SUP. 3 SUPs, baby. How's your SUP? SUP.
Just me, you.
You want me to take Lucy? Oh, I can wait. She's just clipped at the back. Okay, here. This works out. Oh, man down! Man down! Oh shit! Hold on, hold on, hold on. Ah, there you go. Yeah. All right, we saved her. Woo! Oh. Okay, okay. Gotta get my balancing. I got a new passenger. Emily, Caitlin, it's way better? For all those that caught that, you're gonna one day call your kids all their kids' names too. Even the dog names, and even your wife's name. You'll just cycle through all the names until one day you'll get them names right.
Especially if you don't have all females.
Yeah, especially all females. Hey Lucy, how you feel? She just jumped in the water, or fell, one of the two.
Hey.
Okay, this should be fun. We're going to the obstacle course in Scorpion Bay.
Paqua Park.
Paqua Park. It's pretty cool. We gotta go check in. We're leaving the other 2 down there with the SUPs. And we'll meet them up later. All right, continuing birthday weekend. Saturday, April 2nd, baby. One day after 43. It's no different than, I guess, the day of 43. We did the obstacle course, me and Caitlin. It was sweet.
We had a great time relaxing on the beach here.
Yeah.
It was great.
3 hours later.
I'm walking down to see where Emily and Mommy went, because I think Emily, she got blown down this little cove area. This is where we're hanging out. Are you guys stuck?
A little bit. No. It's fun.
Look, you're on camera. You can't whine now.
Busted.
Busted. There's a smile. Okay, here we go. Whoa! Okay, go. I won't move. You go around. Go ahead. You got room?
Yes, I have to. Okay.
All right, here we go. All right, here we go. Whoa. Jeez, man, so many rules. SUP, man. SUPs don't really work with people helping in the back. Man, that wind was killer. Now it's not even here. All right, coming in. I'm gonna sink your battleship, Emily. Woo! Woo, that was a close call. I will sink your battleship. Oh!
Denied. Denied.
That guy needs sunscreen. Does he know that? We're next to this party crew. Check it out.
They're really nice.
They are nice. They don't have parents around telling them, you need sunscreen, kids.
I did ask.
They actually, yeah, they thought we needed some. They weren't prepared. We're racing across the cove, I guess. It's not too far. Maybe I should aim this up. I don't know what it looks like. Do you see me? This is from supping. Man, if you get a sup, you too could look like me. Sup, man. How do you like the other side of the cove?
It's nice and quiet.
I know. There's no kids. They're way over there.
Don't worry, they're safe.
They're safe. They're with those drunk teenagers.
No, there's adults next to them.
Oh, they're with those adults we don't know.
I know.
Mommy met them. They play country music on the right and on the left. What's the music? Hip hop on the right, country on the left, hip hop.
To live. Or something. Hey, sup. Whoa, coming in hot.
Are you still recording?
Probably. Let's go to the water.
No.
Hey.
Ow, Lucy, no. Ow.
This is easy. I don't even have
You want to get in the water with us? All right. So we've been here for about 4 hours. Daddy is starting to put everything away, pack it up. Girls have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? Lucy, did you have fun?
Yeah.
I guess they're supposed to go in there, but oh well.
Good job.